Friday.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Hold on.
It's Millie time.
But what a
Much needed. Anyways, so we're not going to talk about, we're not here to talk about my beer drinking. We're here to talk about this little baby right here. So yes, your boy does have another package. This is not for the car, unfortunately. But give me a second. I'm looking for a knife. That one ain't gonna hold up. I'll just get the one on my work pants. So this is not for the car, unfortunately. It's for the channel. So I'm gonna set y'all up. Alright, so I'll show you my address. So your boy has, like I said, 2 different packages, and we're gonna go over what I ordered. Now, as you can see, this is the Smatree power case. It says for the GoPro Hero 5, but you can use it with any GoPro. And then this little nifty thing right here. Y'all, give me a second. I'm doing everything with one hand. This little nifty thing. Oh, it's from a micro. That's for a micro SD. Pretty sure. Whatever. I'll figure it out later. And this is what I ordered. So, you can see it. It looks kind of like a Swiss Army knife. But, as it fails me. But when you open it up, it's got SD card slots. Which I'm going to try to get that in though. And it's got the micro SD card slots for like the GoPro, and it's got the bigger SD cards for the camera. But as you can see, slip it right in there, and boop, for traveling, of course. And then, like I said, this little nifty thing here says for micro USB 2. Like I said, we'll figure that out later. This is the main thing I wanted right here. Let's go ahead and open that up. Open this up as my phone goes off. Hold on 1 second. Alright, sorry, I had to get a thumbnail for the video. I know I am not sponsored by Smatree or Cam Kicks. I literally bought these with my own money. Now, the reason I wanted this case, and then that's just some of the instructions that you know. And the reason I wanted it is for this little baby right here. Now, 3 LEDs means it's 50 to 75%. Now, this little baby right here is a charging port. So I can charge with this. Now, pretty much everything should fit. Everything should fit in here. The reason I got this one is because the one I had for my GoPro before, which was this one, as you can tell, your boy's kind of got a lot of stuff that's now, plus this my thing's coming off. So I pretty much wanted to upgrade. So now, let's look at the instructions. So now I can put this. I can put my battery charger right here, and then just have the cord going to it. And then like all the rest of this, like all the stuff's just pop in and pop out. So pretty much want to do this video of me doing all this. Like now, put a battery right there. Oh, there's that. That's got to go in the thing. Put that battery right there. That's for the other one. And then pretty much just, I mean, if your boy knew how to work something. Your boy don't know how to do it. This always seems to happen on camera. Plug it in right here. And then I gotta plug this in right here. Sorry, like I said, I'm recording stuff one-handed. Now I'm sitting here trying to figure out how to work this thing. Function button, turn off. See, and now my batteries are charging thanks to my little charging port. I'm gonna finish setting up all the rest of this. I just wanted to give a quick look at the camera stuff I got, because everything's just kind of jumbled when I'm traveling, and I'm the type of person, I hate when I have clutter. Now the next thing I gotta get is I'm gonna get another book bag for my laptop and my other camera equipment. I just hate being cluttered and jumbled and not having everything in its place. So like I said, I'm gonna finish setting this up and I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh yeah, the day this video goes up, I will actually be on the way to Raleigh. I actually should be about halfway there, because like I said, I have a big special trip. I have a big special video planned for this weekend. If the weather holds out, I'll have 3 different videos for y'all. So let's pray the weather holds out so we can get all the videos and all the footage we need, and I know y'all like to see. So like I said, I got a big plan for this weekend. Like I said in a couple videos ago, it's something that has literally been 2 years in the making. Your boy's been a procrastinator, but like I said, I'm finished setting this up. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace. Make sure to come back. Come back. Peace.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.